Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. This seminar is to learn more careers in technology. My name is Luis Alania, and I am an SEO alum, class of 2006. I am also a staff as program manager, and I'm very excited to have the opportunity to present this webinar to you. I want to commend you all for taking the time for investing in your development so early on, even though technically this summer you might be on a break, or those of you who are doing internships. This is great. The continued development on yourself is going to pay dividends in the future. So let's jump into the presentation. Technology, SEOU. The agenda, 2015. We're going to go to the business impact, it's a success story as a candidate, and then I'm going to talk about the career program SEO and the benefits of the career in technology, and also being an SEO intern. So my question to you is, right, who wants to earn 85K in the first year, work 60 hours a week, no weekends? If you're thinking between investment banking and technology, technology might be a good fit. You are making good money and not working long hours as investment banking. Also, who would like to meet the CEO of Morgan Stanley on a one-to-one? This summer, SEO interns met the CEO of Morgan Stanley on a one-to-one for half an hour. And this is opportunities only SEO interns get. So going about the program, right? In 2015, we have 85 interns coming from 52 universities and distributed among different areas of interest. The partners are Accenture, Bank of America, and you can see the other partners in the slide. Technology. Most of the opportunities in technology are in investment banking. So the technology division in investment bank creates and applies global solutions that drive productivity and enable all of the revenue-generating businesses to meet their strategic goals. So innovative technology plus implementation leads to competitive edge. How is technology organized? There are three types of analysts. The application development analyst, who designs, develops, code tests, debug, and document applications, translates requirements, modify application codes, provide design recommendations, create and test software application models. The business system analyst, advice of an option on risk versus cost benefit, execute unit testing on implementation, research new and existing technology solutions, identify and assess and record the business needs. And finally, the service delivery analyst, who perform production support for applications or technology infrastructure, diagnose, resolve production problems, install, remove, configure and maintain operating systems, enable and implement and manage software, hardware solutions. That's technology, the divisions and the separation of technology in a nutshell. Who will succeed in technology? Let's go over our SEO intern, Amilcar Javier. He is interning at Credit Suisse. And now, as a full-time, he's working at Morgan Stanley. He went to NYU, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, a minor on Web Applications and Programming. Stevens Institute of Technology, Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Engineering. He's a leader on campus, solid interpersonal and communication skills. He's outgoing as well. He's a salsa dancer extraordinary. So who succeeds in technology? Have you taken language courses, like C++, Visual Basic, Java? The preferred majors we're looking for are electrical and/or computer engineering, computer science as well. Business information systems and computer information systems are not target majors for this program. The program is open to sophomores, juniors, and F1 candidates. Who will succeed in technology also needs creative thinkers with excellent quantitative and analytical skills. In order to succeed in technology, we look for people who are passionate about technology. Do you know NSBE, SHPE, SWE, previous work experience working in a technical role? In addition to that, you need to have a strong interpersonal and communication skills. You can see the partners in technology at the bottom: Citi, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley. Now I'm going to jump into the SEO career experience. If we decide to work with you after this summer is over, we're going to provide you with additional training, which is over 100 hours of technical and professional development topics. We're going to prepare you to improve on your technical skills through classes with Logic for financial statement analysis. We're going to give you also additional training on Java, C++. In top of that, there is the in-person training. This happens late in May, what's called also as the orientation. There will be classes, like it's a 2-week intense training, and we'll be focused on like more technology classes, more like more training for your specific internship. Technology at a glance. Develop a cross-functional skill set. Great way to merge your business and technology interests. Opportunity to work in a fast-paced, constantly changing and dynamic environment. Creative thinking and innovation. See your ideas materialize. A generous compensation, as I mentioned earlier, and a work-life balance. 60 hours a week, and typically no weekends. So again, technology is a great area. Like if you are debating between like a few of them at the moment. The SEO career experience. So why are we unique? Well, we first provide industry-specific training that's going to make you, even before your internship starts, it's going to make you a strong candidate, and it's going to increase your chances of getting the offer at the end of the summer. You have industry access via networking events and customized seminars or like networking events for SEO students, where you will meet CEOs of companies. You will meet like SEO alums. You will meet upper management who are the movers and shakers of the industry. I mentioned earlier about the alumni. There is a huge alumni, 7,000 plus professionals of color in Wall Street. You will have access to meet them. And during the summer, we will assign you a coach that will work with you during the internship process, and we will give you feedback, constant feedback. We will tell you how it is. We will prepare you so you have like a best chance of materializing into a full-time offer and becoming an SEO alum. Community service. SEO is a not-for-profit. We value the leadership and service in giving back to your community. The class gift for 2014 was $55,000. Okay, at this point, I'm going to take questions. Please write them in in the question bar, and I will be answering them shortly. Let's wait 2 minutes, and I'll be looking at the questions right now. Okay, please, are there any questions? There's no question at the moment. Well, thank you, Tom. I'm seeing your question. So yes, I mean, at this moment, the internships we're offering in technology are specifically at investment banks, and they are geared towards more like technology. And I think if you have an information systems background, it will be great for you to join us. I mean, at this point, you know, we want to get to know you, and if there is a fit for you, like we want to work with you, then we'll take you to the next phase of the process. Okay, I'm looking at another question from Richard. How many tech interns are we recruiting? So it varies year by year, but this year we have in technology we have about 15 students, and they are placed among the partners. 15 is 15 students. Okay, I'm looking at another question right now. Again, the question is regarding non-target majors. Unfortunately, like basically, like get to the point, like if not part of the, because technology is very niche. So what we're looking for as far as in technology is very niche. So unfortunately, if you are not part of the degrees that we, or part of the, I would say like if you don't have the requirements that we're looking for as far as like major, or you don't have the experience in programming, or you don't show any interest in technology, then it wouldn't be a good fit. However, I would highly encourage that you at some point have a coaching call, and then we can discuss further your specific situation. And if you can show that you have writing background or that you have experience, then we can go about it on a case-to-case basis. So please book a coaching call, and then we'll talk about your specific situation in more detail. Okay, I'm looking at another question regarding what kind of projects would you recommend that I be working on before applying for a technology role at SEO. So I would think that you would first need to have if your GPA is not at the level we want. We would, work on increasing GPA, take more of the technology relevant classes next semester, if you are not doing it this summer already, and learn language. I think it's necessary. Like one of the drivers, something that will tell me like if you are committed to a career in technology, is that you are doing something related to technology, right? Have you taken courses on C++? Visual Basic, are you passionate about technology? Like how do you demonstrate that, right? Like build up your resume, right? Like if you say that you want to do technology, but your current internship is at a retail store, right? Like how am I supposed to like having a note that you are passionate about technology if you are not taking the steps towards like improving your skills in this particular interest area? Okay, so I think I answered most of the questions. So if you have additional questions, do not hesitate to contact me by email, and also schedule coaching calls if necessary. But at this point, if there are no more questions, then I'm going to end the call. Thanks everyone for joining. I'm looking forward to get to know you more in the few weeks to come.